2010 abnormal DC input. Alarm information. Troubleshooting. The DC switch is not turned on. Check whether the DC switch of the inverter is turned on. PV strings 1 to 9 are not connected. Check whether PV strings 1 to 9 are not connected. If the PV strings are properly connected, check whether the PV string voltage is normal. The inverter version is outdated. Check whether the inverter software version is the latest version. Upgrade the inverter software to the latest version using any of the 3 methods. If the fault persists after the inverter is restarted, contact Huawei technical support.